Now available at McCarthy Cars, a 2014 Kia Picanto VR7 with a 1.0 engine. The vehicle is in clear white finish with a 14-inch of Kia alloy wheels. It's got rear parking sensors. Split folding rear seats. It's got daytime running lights. It's a 5-door. The interior is a contrasting velour interior with a 5 headrests. It's got ISOFIX for child seat preparation. And for your safety, it's got front, side and rear airbags. On the door, it's got the electric windows and mirrors. Just trying to find the key. There we go. So it is a 5-speed manual. The vehicle has covered only 11,000 miles. It's got a power steering wheel, multifunctional steering wheel, voice commands on the left hand side. You've got a Bluetooth connectivity in it. Then it's got a air conditioning. MP3 player radio. It's got aux in and USB iPod slot. This was the quick overview of the Kia Picanto. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call.